Hi, I'm Laura Ewing. I'm a character designer and storyboard artist. I've storyboarded TV shows, documentaries, live-action movies, and animated shorts. One of them won the Goya Award, Madrid 2120. A storyboard is a collection of shots that helps you preview any visual project. In a way, it's like 2D animation, but with fewer frames. It can be done with quick drawings and simple lines, but what really matters is to show our story visually without relying on text. When planning a scene, you can come up with all sorts of combinations. From camera shots and angles to movements and types of lenses, the way we use cinematography language can really change the narrative. Every visual project needs a storyboard, from movies to commercials, even a video on social media. In this Domestika course, you will learn the fundamentals to make a storyboard. As a final project, we will create a storyboard based on your own script or any of your favorite books or plays. I'll start by showing you the different types of storyboarding and the cinematic language behind them. Then we'll talk about camera angles and movements and how to use them. You will learn how to compose your frame with the rule of thirds and also what it means to cross the 180 axis. To do this, we'll study a clip from a movie to understand how it's being constructed. We will tackle perspective and learn how to create depth. I'll show you how to build up ideas by analyzing a scene on a script. With all these concepts, I'll show you how to create an initial sketch, develop it, and then show it to a director. Then we will focus on final touches and some recommendations on how to deal with clients. Finally, I'll share with you some tips on how to make your portfolio and website as professional as possible. By the end of this Domestika course, you will learn how to translate a script into something visual. Take any script and translate it into creative illustrations.